Hey friends, it's Kimberly Quinn, coming to you straight from Bali. Yes, the land of palm trees, sunsets, and coconuts the size of my head. I'm literally sitting here in Ubud with the sound of waterfalls behind me, and I just finished creating 7 professional quality AI images on my laptop in under 30 seconds. Zero cost, zero Photoshop. If you've ever scrolled through Instagram or YouTube and thought, how do travel creators make their thumbnails or photos look so cinematic? This is your answer. Today, I'm showing you the 7 free AI image generators I actually use to make my Bali travel photos, thumbnails, and brand collabs look like they came from a $5,000 camera shoot, but they're all 100% free. And wait until tool number 4, that one completely blew my mind. Ready? Let's get into it. Before we dive in, quick heads up, this is just my personal experience. All of these tools are free at the time of recording, and results may vary depending on your prompts and creativity. This isn't sponsored, just pure travel creator truth from the jungles of Bali. Okay, starting off with my go-to, Leonardo AI. I swear by this one for my travel thumbnails. Right now, I'm editing shots I took in Canggu, that classic laptop by the pool moment. Well, I used Leonardo AI to turn that into a cinematic still that looks straight out of a travel magazine. The best part, you get 150 free credits every single day. Just head to leonardo.ai, sign in with Google, and you're ready. You can pick between multiple models like Realistic Vision or Leonardo style. Here's what I type. Cinematic portrait of a solo traveler sitting in a tropical cafe, golden hour lighting, 4K detail. Boom. In seconds, I get 4 options, and one of them looks exactly like the vibe I wanted for my Bali vlog thumbnail. If you're trying to make Instagram carousels or YouTube covers that scream wanderlust, Leonardo is your best friend. I even used it to generate alternate versions of my sunset yoga photo from Uluwatu, and honestly, people thought it was from a drone. Now let's talk about the powerhouse Stable Diffusion. If Leonardo is my aesthetic friend, Stable Diffusion is my nerdy genius. This is the open source AI that powers so many paid platforms. And if you love learning how things work, this is your playground. Here in Bali, Wi-Fi can be unpredictable, but I can still run Stable Diffusion through Google Colab on my laptop from a beach cafe. No installs, just click Run, and you're good. Let's say I want to visualize the view I had this morning in Sidemen Valley misty rice terraces, volcano in the background, warm sunrise tones. I just type, sunrise over rice terraces in Bali, cinematic lighting, golden haze, ultra-detailed landscape. The render looks identical to what I saw in real life, maybe even better. The best part is, it's unlimited if you self-host. That means you can generate thousands of travel images without hitting a paywall. It's perfect for learning prompt engineering and for creators who want to create AI photo editing for free with full control. All right, the third one, the tool I use when I'm rushing between cafes, Bing Image Creator, powered by Microsoft Designer. Here's the story. Last week, I was sitting in a bamboo cafe in Seminyak, and I needed a quick logo for a travel reel series called Wander with Kimberly. I didn't want to open Canva or pay for anything, so I just went to bing.com/create, logged in with my Microsoft account, typed minimal travel logo with palm tree outline and neon sunset colors, and 10 seconds later I had 4 options, all stunning. This is DALL-E 3 technology, the same one inside ChatGPT Plus, but here it's free. You get 100 boosts a day, and it's lightning fast, even on Bali's unpredictable Wi-Fi. I use Bing Image Creator whenever I need quick, clean visuals for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram stories, or mood boards for brand shoots. So, if you're a traveler who wants AI image generator, free, no login, or something that just works anywhere, this is your go-to. Now, number 4, and honestly, this one shocked me. Adobe Firefly free plan. I used to think Adobe meant expensive subscriptions, but they now have a free tier with 25 monthly credits and commercial-safe outputs. That's huge if you're a travel influencer working with brands. Because Firefly only uses licensed data, you can legally use your images for collabs and ads. Let me give you a real example. I was in Uluwatu shooting product content for a skincare brand, but the lighting was bad. So I typed in Firefly. Flat lay of skincare products on rattan table, natural light, tropical leaves in frame, Bali aesthetic. The AI generated perfect, commercial-grade photos. No need to reshoot. It looked like something from an ad campaign. So if you want free .ai image generator for commercial use, Adobe Firefly wins that category easily. Next is Canva AI. This one is perfect for creators like me who are constantly editing travel posts. I actually use Canva daily from cafes in Canggu with a coconut on my left, laptop on my right. All you do is open Canva, go to the Apps tab, choose Text to Image, and you get 50 free credits. I typed drone-style view of a woman walking through Bali rice fields at sunrise, cinematic lighting. And the result? Absolutely stunning. The best thing is, once the image is generated, you can immediately edit it within Canva. Add your logo, gradient, text, shadows, all in one interface. I used it to make my YouTube thumbnail for how I work remotely in Bali. And I didn't touch Photoshop once. It's the easiest tool for AI, graphic design free, and integrates perfectly with social media templates. Number 6, the fun one, Crayon. I call this my creative playground. This is the tool I use when I'm just experimenting with ideas. Like that time I wanted to visualize a monkey taking selfies at the Bali swing. No account needed, just go to crayon.com, type your prompt, and wait a few seconds. It gives you 9 quirky, hilarious variations. Is it perfect? No. Is it fast, free, and unlimited? Absolutely yes. Sometimes I use Crayon to brainstorm visuals for my vlog intros. It helps me see what kind of mood I want before I shoot. If you're new to AI or just want a free AI art generator, no login that's fun and light, this is the one to play with during a Bali thunderstorm when the Wi-Fi cuts out. Now for the last one, my secret favorite playground AI. If you create a lot of travel content, this tool is gold. You get 500 free images per day. Let that sink in, 500. I discovered this one while working from a co-working space in Ubud. I was testing thumbnails for a new travel series and needed tons of variations fast. So I opened Playground. Now for the last one, my secret favorite playground AI. If you create a lot of travel content, this tool is gold. You get 500 free images per day. Let that sink in, 500. I discovered this one while working from a co-working space in Ubud. I was testing thumbnails for a new travel series and needed tons of variations fast. So I opened Playground AI, chose the cinematic style, and typed traveler sitting at a bamboo cafe in Bali with neon reflections and palm shadows. It generated 4 perfect portraits in under 20 seconds. Each one looked like a still from a travel commercial. Playground also has a canvas editor for in-painting, so you can fix or expand images easily. I used it to extend the sky in my drone photo of Nusa Penida, and no one noticed it was AI. If you're a travel influencer testing brand ideas or reels, this tool is your best productivity hack. That's it, a professional looking post in under 3 minutes, all while enjoying the sound of waves. It's wild how far tech has come. I used to need Lightroom, Photoshop, and hours of editing. Now, I can do it all while waiting for my smoothie bowl. So now I'm curious, which of these 7 tools are you trying first? Comment below. 1 for Leonardo, 2 for Stable Diffusion, 3 for Bing, 4 for Firefly, 5 for Canva, 6 for Crayon, or 7 for Playground. Also, I'm building a free AI prompt library just for travel creators, with prompts for landscapes, food shots, drone perspectives, and product collabs. Type "prompt me" in the comments if you want access. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. I post every week about how to create professional-looking travel content using free AI tools. Next up, 3 free AI video generators that make travel reels look cinematic. Thanks for hanging out with me here in Bali. If you're dreaming about creating content while traveling, trust me, you can. These tools make it possible to design anywhere from beach cafes to airport lounges. Watch this next video. I built my first digital product in 1 day using AI. Or this one below, top free AI voice generators for travel creators. Remember, all this is for educational use. Check each tool's terms if you're doing paid collaborations. I'm Kimberly Quinn, signing off from Paradise. Go create, go explore, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and keep creating magic wherever you are in the world.